Okay, this is Dr. Lindsey Wendy here. We're going to tell you about a big, tough guy who had one hair transplant, didn't clean very well, had a bit of a low yield. We fixed him, made him come every day and get cleaned, and now he's growing like a weed.
It's not like that.
Pretty close to that. So this guy is a very tough fellow who does important jobs for our government. And he rolled in looking like this with a pregnant wife. That's what it was. And we did a hair transplant on him, and I went on vacation. His wife, I think, went into labor. And we left him on his own to clean, and they didn't live close by, and he took out his stitches while I was at the beach and didn't come see you.
Yeah.
We saw him at 5 months, and it was growing a little bit, and at 9 months I was a little bit disappointed and in certain spots. And then at around 15 months, he and I agreed that we would do a little tune-up in a couple of spots for him. And but the cost of that is you got to show up every day and we'll help you clean, because I don't trust you that you're not going to clean correctly, and if we've had trouble in the past. And so we did him again, and he came every day. And what did his wife or him tell you?
So he would come every day, and then he says, by the 6th day, all the scabs are gone. Because he came every day, he followed instructions, and then he says, oh, the scabies are gone. And I said, yeah, they should be gone by the 7th day. And then he says, no, last time they lasted about 2 weeks, or more, I think. And then he scratched his head. And I was like, really? You didn't clean?
Yeah. And I used to be much less uptight about this. And then we had a lawyer that I posted his case back in maybe 2010.
Yeah.
And what happens is if you don't clean all that crap off your head, the crap being, tissue exudate, some dead skin, there's some little blood particles, then what happens is this crust builds up, and it's stronger attachment to each other than it is your hair growing into the head. And you pull one and a whole river of hair will come out. And that's almost certainly what happened with this guy.
Yeah, because his results was like
It's
patchy.
Yeah. And so by doing a good job cleaning this time, everything took root, and he turned out great. And he sent this picture, and this is 5 months. Again, we're all on COVID precautions. He's got nothing to do like everybody else except send me pictures.
And he's growing really nicely.
And it's already grown like a weed. And that's what would have happened the first time if he would have just cleaned. So, if you're a customer of ours, you just got to keep it clean like we want to. And if you can't do it, just come every day and we'll help you, because we just want it to work, right?
Yes.
If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.